Okay, I caught my hubby cutting meat. I think he's going to do something. Let's see. That is the pork butt. Okay, he's cutting. Let's see what it comes out. Okay, later. Now he's mixing them. Okay, he added onions, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and laurel leaves. Okay, and he is marinating the meat for 15 minutes. Into the pan are the spices, getting ready, onions and garlic, big chunks. Wow, smells good. Okay, everything is in. Okay, turn a little bit. All right. Checking after 10 minutes. Ooh, sizzling. After 15 more minutes. Okay, it's looking good already. I'm ready to eat. Wow. He said he added a secret ingredient. He won't tell me. Now it's ready. Whoa, I'm ready with my plate. Here is my plate with rice. More. Alright. This is Humba, pork adobo and rice. Ladies and gentlemen, Humba, my hubby's specialty. Now I'm ready to eat. Oh wow, I love that. Thank you.